How to fix the HP 6400 printer offline issue. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Restart the devices. Step 1. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Step 2. Disconnect the power cord from the printer and computer. Step 3. Turn off the computer you're attempting to print from. Step 4. Restart the wireless network your printer and computer are connected to. Step 5. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and turn it on. Step 6. Turn on the computer. Step 7. Check the connection and make sure that both the printer and computer are connected to the same network. Method 2. Update printer firmware. Step 1. Visit the official HP support website. Step 2. Scroll down, enter your printer model number, click Submit and select your printer from the list. Step 3. Click on Software Drivers and Firmware from the list. Step 4. Scroll down the list of drivers and select the last one that says Printer Firmware. Step 5. Click on Download, then open the downloaded file. Step 6. If you get a Windows security alert pop-up, click Allow Access. Step 7. On the HP printer update screen, check the status of your printer. Step 8. If the status is ready, select the checkbox next to the serial number and click Update. Step 9. Once the update is complete, press OK on the confirmation message. Method 3. Run Diagnose and Fix from HP Smart App. Step 1. From the taskbar, search for and open HP Smart App. Step 2. If you do not have it, it can be downloaded from the App Store. Step 3. On the HP Smart homepage, select the Diagnose and Fix icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 4. Select Start to diagnose and fix any issues related to the printer. Step 5. If the tool finds any issues, follow the instructions provided to fix the issue. Step 6. If no issues were found, click on Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.